Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. So, we are going to be doing a no power test on my, well, this is not really a no power test, this is a, low battery test. I should say a low battery test. As you may hear it beeping. I've already turned it on and back off once. It's already on low battery already. This is basically a low battery test. And basically I'm doing a low battery test on my brand new power strip that I got from Walmart. As you may hear, it's beeping. It is about to shut off very shortly. It is about to turn off very shortly. I'm doing a low battery function test. It's been on for quite some time. The power is already cut off. As you may see, there is the power strip. Power is off, red light's off. But the power strip is somewhere behind the cabinet, which I will show that in the future after it turns off. It'll turn off very, very shortly. And there it went. You can hear it beeping. Basically now it's pitch black. Everything went dark. Now I will turn off the light, because I had it on for a while. And basically I just waited for the battery to die. I basically did a low battery test. As you can hear it beeping. The battery is now dead. But yeah. Basically there is the power strip itself. But yep, battery is now dead. Okay. And do you want... Never mind, I would not show my face. My hair is a complete mess. But anyway. There it is. It's beeping. It's a low battery. But when you see my wiring, there's all my wiring. This is the power supply that feeds towards the electrical. Here is my on and off supply. As you can see, it's off. But this is what feeds the AC towards this. So, yep. I basically did a low battery test. And when I first started the video, it was already dying. Okay. Goodbye. Peace out.